Prime Minister Modi reaching out to the people of Jammu and Kashmir. It was at this 75-minute-long meeting with the opposition leaders from the state that the Prime Minister expressed deep pain and concern at the situation. The Prime Minister said those who lost their lives during the recent disturbances are part of us, our nation. And he emphasized there has to be dialogue and the need to find a permanent and lasting solution to the problem within the framework of the Constitution.
आज भी डायलॉग ही हुआ है प्रतिनिधि मंडल के साथ डायलॉग ही हुआ है
Former Chief Minister Omar Abdullah, who led the delegation, said they submitted a memorandum seeking a ban on the use of pellet guns and requesting the Prime Minister to initiate a dialogue with all stakeholders in the valley right away.
वज़ीर-ए-आज़म साहब ने भी अपनी जगह इस चीज को तस्लीम किया है कि सिर्फ डेवलपमेंट में ही इन मसलों का हल नहीं है। बड़े इत्मीनान से वज़ीर-ए-आज़म साहब ने सबकी बातें सुनी और हमारे मेमोरेंडम को स्वीकार किया।
In a rare show of political unity, Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti also welcomed the meeting.
सलमान खान पिछले साल आया, 1.5 महीना उसने पहलगाम में शूटिंग की। इस बार आया, उसको लद्दाख जाना पड़ा। ये बातें मैं आपसे इसलिए कहना चाहती हूँ कि आप दिल में ये मलाल न रखें कि कश्मीरी लोग ऐसे हैं। कश्मीरी लोग ऐसे नहीं हैं।
The Central Congress, however, attacked the Prime Minister.
This is mere empty rhetoric for the Prime Minister.
Interestingly, the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court today said, while hearing a public interest litigation, that the present situation in Jammu Kashmir has to be resolved politically. The Prime Minister's outreach comes even as Kashmir goes to the 45th day of lockdown and continuous curfew. The big question is, what will be the centre's next move? The Prime Minister, however, is clear. Any initiative will be within the framework of the Constitution. With camera person Bala Sundaram in New Delhi, Shruti Ranjan Sen for NDTV.